Hey Groovy babies, welcome back to Groovy Roller Skate. Today we're gonna get a little workout in with a side of groove. You already know the vibe, let's get a quick stretch in and then we'll roll into the good stuff. Let's go. All right, now that we're all stretched out, let's hop into this thing. Your first move is gonna be right here. 5, 6, 7, 8, dribble. Get low. Woo! And up. Get low. Woo! And up. Get low. And up. Get low, woo, and up. Gotta rest. I feel it in them legs, girl. Whew. Feel free to groove. Do what you do. Just be you. Ugh. So get ready. We're going into our next set. Done. Rest. Ooh. Still getting used to these slades. All right, we're starting again. Ready? Go with the beat, go slow. Lunge and pull. Lunge and pull. Lunge and pull. Woo. Rest. Catch my breath, I was in here doing the most. Okay, so we're gonna go wide, get those inner thighs and hit it. Hoo, ha, hoo, ha, hoo, ha. You can add a tap if you want. Ha, tap, 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 hoo, down, tap, tap, tap. Hoo, down, tap, tap. You could do it like that too, okay? Control. Okay, we're on rest now. Is 30 seconds even enough? Who knows? Sorry, I'm breathing in your ear. Let's hydrate. Whew. The heart rate is up. Got 3 seconds. We're gonna do something simple. Ready? Let's go all the way. Woo. If you want to challenge, get low. And done. Good job. This playlist is a bop. Okay, let's go. I love this. Whew. Don't lose the flow. Lose the flow. Rest. Rest. Whew. I love roller workouts because they really get your blood, your energy going. You're gonna hit the 0. And find your groove like ooh, hit, ooh, hit, like hit. Rest. You got this. I'm getting tired. Yeah, man. Still not used to these things. It's been months. And we're gonna out, pull it in, all inner thighs. Out, back, out. Woo, I feel that already. Whatever you do, don't lean back. Go as far as you can. I'm not very flexible today. It's okay. Woo, 5 seconds, y'all. Nice. And rest. Rest. Drink your water. Drink your water. Oh no, my timer. Sorry, my timer. My timer. Oh, we're on it, okay. Let's just chill out for a second. We're gonna get to our cool down. Good turn. Why is my timer like this? All right, rest your body, love your body. Ba, ba, ba. Try to get down into it. When you're down, you bounce. Or you can go. We're feeling the groove. If you know how it goes. then show them, bro. Okay, I think we're done, or just in case. Let's do one more. Good job. Okay, we're hydrated, we're back. Great job, you guys. Thank you so much for working out with me today. Feel free to get a nice little stretch in, eat some healthy food. Remember, don't rush the journey, trust the journey. Thank you so much for working out with me today. It feels so good to be in the sun and to be moving my body again. And it just feels damn good to be here with you. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for working out with me. As always, stay groovy. Peace.